It's not a great time of year. No.
So what do you think of Edinburgh?
Coming on board as well.
Bridge, but the water that it crosses is... They put microphones up to the main cables that are holding it up, and they listened. And every now and then, they could... The second time, you can say it with me. Achtemachti. Achtemachti Castle. Attracted by that. Don't know if there's any scientific evidence to back that up. Around it as well, but just out to the right, this is Blair Athol Whiskey Distillery. It's like a stain around a lot of the buildings and trees and whatnot. It's a fungus. It's a fungi that really loves alcohol. When you're aging. They were the people that the Romans, when they arrived here 2,000 years ago, they were the people who were living. And Pit comes from I think it's just out for a walk with his pets rather than working dogs. And you clink your glasses together. Called a Munro. Just after the first lockdown, and he broke the record, climbed all 282, broke it by 8 days. Climbed a bloom as the petals all come out. So can you imagine for about a peaty soil underneath there? Peat. But if you dig it out of the ground while it's still kind of soft, you can just walk in the mountains around here. With my girlfriend in the middle of the summer, and fucking blood. They like me a lot. Lochs and forests and bogs. The bus doesn't worry me. Let's go 25 past 2 just to give a wee bit of extra time there. Might mean that we're back to Edinburgh 5 minutes later. To his face and smiled at him. Turned this frown upside down. sometimes that's easier said than done. Sometimes it's quite hard. So, end of May, it's nearly summer. It's gonna be fine. And I didn't pack a very good sleeping bag. I didn't have one. And it dropped down to 1 degree Celsius at night time. And I'd got no way. James Bond was slow as I'm allowed on the motorway.